Have you ever felt like you've reached your limit? That your talents, your intelligence, your very nature are set in stone? What if I told you that the very wall you see in front of you is not made of brick, but of paper? And that you were the one who painted the bricks? I want you to picture two gardens. The first garden is meticulous, ordered. The bushes are sculpted into perfect spheres, the pathways are rigidly straight. It is beautiful, but it is finished. The gardener here is a custodian, fighting a daily war against anything that grows out of place. This garden is the fixed mindset. It says, I am what I am. I am good at this, I am bad at that. This is my nature. It is a sculpture, meant to be admired but never to change. Now, picture the second garden. It is wilder. It is a forest garden. Here, a seed falls, and it is allowed to struggle towards the light. A tree grows gnarled and unique, not because it is wrong, but because it met the wind and adapted. The gardener here is a collaborator with life. She provides water, removes true threats, but mostly she watches in awe as life expresses itself in infinite forms. This is the growth mindset. It whispers, I am not a finished product. I am a process. I am becoming. In our lives, we are both the garden and the gardener. The spiritual truth is this. You are not a noun, you are a verb. You are not a smart person or a failure. You are a person learning, experiencing, growing. The fixed mindset believes it is a brick, solid, heavy, final. If it cracks, it is damage. But the growth mindset knows it is bamboo, strong, yet flexible. It bends in the storm but does not break. Its strength is not in its rigidity, but in its incredible ability to adapt and sway. Think of a challenge you face right now. Perhaps it's learning a new language, like English or Burmese. The fixed mindset says, I'm not a language person. I'm too old. My brain doesn't work that way. It sees the challenge as a brick wall, condemning it. The growth mindset says, I haven't mastered this yet. Every mistake is a bend in my bamboo stalk, teaching me resilience. Every word learned is a new shoot growing. So how do we move from the sculpted garden to the wild forest? How do we trade our brick for bamboo? It starts with a single, powerful word, yet. This word is a magic spell. I don't understand, yet. I can't do it, yet. First, listen to your language. The mind believes what it hears you say. When you catch yourself saying, I am bad at this, gently correct. I am currently finding this difficult. You are not defining your being, you are describing a temporary state. Second, embrace the gift of discomfort. Growth never happens in the comfort zone. That feeling of frustration, of awkwardness, that is the feeling of your old brick walls cracking. That is the bamboo stretching. Don't run from it, sit with it, breathe into it. Say, this feeling is my growth in action. Third, celebrate the process, not just the prize. Don't just throw a party when you reach the goal. Applaud yourself for showing up to practice. Cherish the focus you had for 10 minutes. Honor the courage it took to try again after a mistake. This is how you water the garden of becoming. Today, I invite you to look at one area of your life where you feel stuck, where you've told yourself the story, this is just how I am. It might be your job, your creativity, a relationship, and I want you to plant a single seed of, yet, in that soil. Say to yourself, I am not a brick wall in this area. I am a living, growing being. I may not see the path yet, but I am capable of learning. I am capable of bending, not breaking. Your mind is not a prison. It is a garden, and you are both the miraculous seed and the wise gardener. Water it with patience, shine on it with curiosity, and protect it from the weeds of old, limiting stories. Your wild, beautiful, unbounded growth awaits. Go in peace. Go with growth.